Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over the AWS Snow family. The AWS Snow family offers secure and portable devices that collect and process data and can migrate data in and out of AWS. If we need to migrate data, we can use any of the three Snow devices. And for edge computing, we can use either the Snow Cone or the Snowball Edge devices. Now, why would you want to use the Snow family to migrate data to AWS? Well, let's say we have a 100 megabit per second internet connection at our company. It offers 100 megs up and down, and we want to upload 100 terabytes of data to S3. That would take roughly 124 days to complete. And that is a best case scenario, meaning there aren't any internet outages and your company's employees aren't using much of the shared connection. We could instead order 2 Snowball Edge devices from AWS, wait to get them shipped to our company. We can then load the data locally onto the devices and ship it back to AWS. Then AWS takes the Snowball Edge devices and uploads our data into our S3 buckets. This whole process could take less than 2 weeks. Now, here are the 3 types of Snowball devices AWS has to offer. We have the Snow Cone, which is a small box which can do up to 8 terabytes of data, and it's meant for smaller spaces. We also have the Snowball Edge device, which can do up to 80 terabytes of data, and we can cluster this option with other Snowball Edge devices for edge computing. And finally, we have the Snowmobile, which is literally a semi-truck that can do over 100 petabytes. We use the Snowmobile when we start transferring over 10 petabytes worth of data. I hope in this video you learned a little more about the Snow family. I'll see you in the next video.